Hey everyone, my name is Paul and today I'll be replacing the exhaust flex pipe on my RAV4 again. I replaced this pipe in my first RAV4 video, but there it is, leaking again. The downpipe has 3 nuts holding it on. Use a 14mm socket with an extension to get them off. The rear bolts also take a 14mm wrench. I guess I should be happy these bolts are new and easy to work with. You have to turn the pipe a bit to get it over the subframe. That was easy. I installed this pipe in my first RAV4 video and only drove my car 8,000 miles and it's already broken. So I don't want to spend another $120 on a shitty pipe from Walker Exhaust, and I don't really want to spend $290 on the pipe from Toyota, so I went to AutoZone and I bought this for $23 instead. Now I'm chopping the bad flex pipe out of my exhaust downpipe. This will be a little tricky because the new flex pipe section is longer than the old one. I'm trimming it to fit. I have to be careful not to shake it too much because I don't want the new pipe to leak. That's how I want it to look. With the pipe bolted into the car and everything lined up, I'm going to do some nice tack welds. I'm doing 4 welds so nothing will move when I take the pipe out of the car. I'm doing the final welding on the workbench because it's much easier to reach all the way around the pipe. The exhaust gaskets get crushed when the pipe is tightened down, so it's a good idea to replace them with new gaskets anytime you install the pipe. I'm cheating a little with my impact driver, but I still do the final bolt tightening by hand. I would use a torque wrench, but ain't nobody got time for that. You can use any bolts you want back here, but it's more convenient to work on if you have the Toyota bolts. Be sure to check for leaks. Listen and feel around where the pipes come together. It seems like my exhaust isn't leaking anymore. It's probably my fault that flex pipe broke. I did pull on it a bit when I installed the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter, but I'm still blaming Walker Exhaust because car parts should not be fragile. Anyway, if you have one of these old RAV4s, you should definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.